The Spectra S1 Plus breast pump kit offers hospital-strength suction with surprisingly gentle, adjustable settings that feel closer to a natural nursing rhythm than many competing pumps. Its built-in rechargeable battery and lightweight design make it genuinely practical for pumping away from home, whether you're commuting, traveling, or just moving around the house. You can switch easily between single and double pumping, which helps tailor sessions to your schedule and can significantly cut down the time you spend attached to the pump. The kit includes a well-thought-out set of compatible accessories, so most parents can start pumping right away without hunting for extra parts. The included gray tote is spacious and organized enough to hold the pump, bottles, and other essentials, while also having room for a laptop so it can pass as a regular work bag. Overall, this pump stands out for combining strong performance, comfort-focused technology, and real-world portability that supports consistent, stress-reduced pumping.